So we devised several more studies on this topic, and we adopted a paradigm where we randomly assigned half of the parents to get some instruction about how to include numeracy or support for math. So we would give them very gentle suggestions and see what they did. The other group, we did not say anything at all about guidance. And over, when we ask people to support numeracy, they can do it. And they do twice as much than the folks who aren't getting the instructions. So we went through this paradigm several times. Why does it matter? Math talk matters. It turns out that when adults talk about math, children also talk about math, and it enhances their achievement in math as well. Math matters also because at kindergarten, it predicts school success. It predicts both literacy and math achievement. So early home numeracy is an important area to study.